Back out here in nature. Give me a breath of fresh air. Tapping into my greatness. Letting that raw hit me so I can get them downloads. Go on and find me a tree. Don't forget, one hand on a tree, other hand on your heart. I promise you, when you leave the park, you're going to remember some things. You're going to get a little clarity. You know, you might remember some shit from your past that used to cause anger, grief, made you feel bad when you thought about it. But see, when you get them downloads from nature, when nature help you remember, that's what I call that tapping into your greatness, man. It's helping you remember, not in a negative way, man. It's helping you remember to remind you about the elevation, them steps you climb, man. How far you came from, you know? So get out in nature. Embrace that shit, man. That part. I don't give a fuck what you going through. Come out wherever you are. Tap into your motherfucking greatness, man. That's what I do. Just try it. It might work for you. You know? Because I'll be smoking around the mountain when they go. I'll be smoking around the mountain. I'll be smoking around the mountain. I'll be smoking around the mountain when they come. Yes, indeed. Ain't nothing like getting greeted by a tree. They wave at you. They blow one with you when you walk by. What up, red bird? See, when I come out here, I usually get 2 red birds, 4 black birds, black with the blue hue. Y'all call them crows. Time and time again, my falcon come out and play. You know, that raw hover over me, shine on me. You know, we solar power, so I'll be getting charged by that rod, and all of a sudden, I look up in the sky. I see that falcon, that hawk. Yep. I'm gonna show y'all something. Trees not blowing, right? Watch this. They're not blowing. What up, what up, what up? What up? No wind blowing. See? What's up, what's up, what's up, Woody? Yep. What's up? All the trees ain't blowing. What up? Yep. Y'all understand one day. Come out here. See, trees rooted all together. Some way, somehow. Deeply rooted. You know? So they don't believe it. Come out in nature, man. You got a problem? You going through some shit? Shit ain't working out right? Let me get you some clarification, some downloads, man. You know? Go get a recharge. Because we are solar powered. And don't forget to pay homage to your ancestors when you're out in nature. Should be doing that anyway, but you know, some people still trying to communicate with the sky daddy. That's why they walk around with attitudes all day, because they not getting no response. But they keep seeing you be great. They look at you like you the evilest person it is, man. But you keep surviving shit. You keep getting up every time you knock down. You don't mind telling your story, you know? So they don't want to tell their story because they perfect. They want everybody to think that their life is perfect, all peachy, nothing sour at all. See, they fooling themselves, man. That's why shit keep happening to them back to back, man. Because they want to embrace their struggles. You know, we soul survivors, you know. But some of them just natural born quitters, you know. Tap in, man. See that rock shining. Mm-hmm.